All right, let's just change the color of this model's eye. All right, see, look at the iris. Really beautiful, right? All right, we're going to change to a different color right now. And to do this, the first thing we're going to do is to come down here and create a group. We're going to name this group eye color. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to make a selection over the iris. All right, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to press M on your keyboard for the marquee tool, or you're just going to come right over here and select the marquee tool. All right, you're going to hold on shift on your keyboard and then make a selection. You can then use the space bar on your keyboard to move wherever you want it, to keep the same proportion and move it all about. So we're going to put it like right here. Good. After making the selection, if you notice, we have a part of the selection, the eyelid, right? We want to get rid of that. To get rid of that, you come right here and click on this. Then you make a selection again. You could use the space bar to move it, and then come down here. Good. The next step now is to make a selection, or put this selection on a layer by itself. What we're going to do, we're going to come down here to the masking tool. We're going to hit the mask. Then we're going to hold on Alt on the keyboard and then press right here. If you notice around the edge, it's very sharp. We do not want it to be sharp. So we're going to do the feathering by going to properties. Sometimes properties is right here, or I think you can go under Windows and select properties here. We're going to go to the feather and we're going to lower it to about right there. Good. Then we're going to hold on Alt again on the keyboard and click, and then we're going to change the color of the eye. To change the color of the eyelid, we're going to go down here to the adjustment layer here, and then we're going to go to Use Saturation, right? Then to change the color, you're going to move this hue option here. So that's a kind of red color, purplish, blue. So that's how easy it is to change the color of the model's eye. All right, we're going to start with green. She's going to be oak today. All right, so we have two eyes to work with, right? But before we do that, if you notice in the center here, it's not black anymore, and it changes the color of the catch light. What you're going to do is to get a brush, be on the keyboard for the brush, put it 100%. Then you're going to lower it using the brackets on the keyboard, and then we're going to go over here, and then we're going to paint it. Oh wait, X to change the foreground, then we're going to paint it, because we do not want any color in here, right? Good. So that's done. Before, after. Good. Alright, so yeah, that's how easy it is to change the color. You can go back here and we could make some adjustments to the color again, but yes, we're going to work with green. So green like right there, and then we have two eyes to work with, so we're going to put this in a group again, and then we're going to close it, and then Control J to do a second one, V in the keyboard for the move tool, and then we're going to move it over to this eye. It's not perfect but yeah, it's not perfect. So in this case, what we could maybe do is to Control T, and then right click and then go to Distort, or not Distort, maybe Skew. We're going to skew it a little bit, and that does it, I guess. Good. You could use some other option. Maybe the warp could work as well. What's happening here? Try now. Oh no, I didn't want to try that now. But yeah, that's it actually. Just bring it over to the eye and make the adjustment. Adjust it to where you want it. I think I want to adjust a little bit more, because right here we have, oh, you know what? We could go back to this. Get your brush, and then X to change the foreground color to white, So, and you could paint back right here. Right, so that's how easy it is. So now she has green eyes. Alright guys, so if you liked what I did just now, if you learned something from what I did, please like this video, please subscribe, please turn on the notification bell. More videos coming soon, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.